Hi everyone, Sarah here. I have another diamond painting unboxing for you, but first I thought I would share my completed and my in process. So first thing is the completed is this super cute little kitty cat with a coffee and donuts and the cookies. It is super cute. I wasn't super happy about it. This is the store that it was ordered from, Goang Factory Store. Everything came fast and everything was in there. It's just that I don't know if maybe the grid, this one I ended up finding out after I did it that there was like a stripe up here which I thought was just a color variation from printing, and come to find out it was actually overlapped grids. So there was like two different drill numbers, like the symbols over top of each other. So I kind of had to decide what color I wanted to put in here. So I'm hoping, actually it pretty much was like straight down here. So in that section there, I just kind of winged it. So it doesn't look terrible, but I'm not too happy because again, I think the grid was a little bit bigger than the drills, so there's lots of space. Plus if you look at it closely, you can see, you can't really see through the camera because it just looks like space anyways, but that is actually black from the grids. So you can see the grid through the drills, which to me is not, it's not the way I want it to be. And it's hard to make them straight when it's that way, right? So I know it's only like my third or fourth diamond painting and I'm a professional already. But I do have another, is a little cat with glasses and sitting on books to go with it, but I haven't got to that one yet. So that's that. And then this is my work in progress, which is one of my favorites. It's a pretty popular one online. It's a tabby cat face close up, and it's absolutely gorgeous. It is so many colors, and if you look at it close up, you're like, okay, that's weird, but looking at it here through the camera, it looks amazing. And I am definitely a cat person. I just love cats, but it's so beautiful, and the color and the shine, it's just amazing. So I'm working on this one, hoping to have this one finished this week. I'm on vacation, so obviously it's gonna be done this week. There's really not that much left. I've already got it started up here. So that's that. And then I have two packages that showed up to my door today. Who knows if there's more in the mailbox, but I got two. Look at this fancy one. Woo, woo, woo. So let me start with this one first. This is from Ever Moment. If you know diamond painting, you know this is like the Cadillac of diamond painting. I just had to do it. It doesn't say which one, but I'm pretty sure I know which one it is, and I love it already. It's a 40 by 40 with 43 colors. It comes in this tube, which it's hard to tell, but there was a little bump in it, and I kind of bumped it back out. So it did get squished a little bit, but I'm pretty sure everything is still okay inside. Like you could even make it into a piggy bank. What was I gonna say? I don't know what I was gonna say. I found this picture. Someone had posted it on one of the diamond painting groups, and I fell in love with it, so I had to go find it right away. It is the Disney Princess Castle. So beautiful. Here we go. I just love it. All the pastel colors. It's so, so pretty. I just hope I got it big enough that it is going to show detail enough on it. So let me just find in my little book here. Okay, so I did purchase two from Ever Moment, but they got shipped separately. So the other one is still on its way. Disney Castle was ordered August 4th. Today is August the 20th, so I'm happy. I did pay $28.72. Like I said, this is the Cadillac. But I really wanted it, and I love, love, love this picture. So here is the little toolkit. This is my favorite little grippy. Love it. And I had not had these tweezers yet before. It's got the, what is it, 8-placer, the 3, and the single, 2 pieces of wax, and the tray. And everyone says these tweezers are super amazing and super sharp. Look at that. Love it. Put that little protective cap back on there. They also sent me a little bag of Ziplocs and labels and some tattoo stickers. All right, so here are the drills. They look amazing. Look at that Ziploc baggie that they come in. The colors are just so pretty. And everything is labeled. Look, 310 is in white. That's the first time I've had that. They all look so good. So I'll have to do the inventory. I'll do that off camera. I'm not going to bore you guys with that, but I will put it in the details down below so that you know if it was all there or not. And this feels so nice. Bite me. There's 2 strips of adhesive. Oh, look at that. Look at those clouds. Oops, sorry, bumped the camera. There's the castle. You can see the rainbow coming up. So pretty. I probably should have gone bigger. Oh well. Look at that, all the flowers. You can see a swan. I have so many now that I don't know what order to do them in. There's the swan. Looks good. The symbols are nice and clear, and the grid is a little bit bigger than what's on the actual picture, so you can see it nicely. This canvas feels really nice. Like, you really don't have to do, there's no creasing. That's the line from the adhesive. Gorgeous. Alright, so that is the one from Ever Moment. So far, no complaints. We'll see once I get going on it. Okay, now the other one, I think, because I'm pretty sure it showed that there were 6. I think this is from Logan Store on AliExpress. Once I see which ones are in here, then I will know. They're squished in there. Yeah, this is Logan Store. They won't come out. I have to open the other side of the box. Okay, these are going to be creased. Oh, no, they're not. Here they are. Those are just the drills. Okay. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 kits, 6 packages of drills. So the kit is the green tray, wax baggies, single, and the 8 drill, and these tweezers, which I actually like these tweezers. That's what I've been using for the squares. So I don't know if I need 6 pairs of them, but okay, so here's the name of the store, Logan Store. I ordered August 4th, so again, very good timing for in Canada. I love it. Okay, these ones I bought a whole bunch of little ones just to have fun with. So American Mickey is this one right here. I've seen a couple people share this one and I really loved it. I'm an American living in Canada, so $6.88. The next one is Cheshire Cat, which is also another one of my favorite Disney characters. I've seen that one done up a couple times. That one was $5.94. These are, sorry, the first American Mickey's 20 by 25. This one's 20 by 20. The next one is Disney Moon. This one is really cool. It's the big pink moon with Mickey and Minnie kissing. That is 20 by 25 and it was $7.25. And then Winnie the Pooh, for me, it's #1 Disney character is Pooh. 20 by 25 for $6.98. The next one is Stitch on a Wave. This one I had seen, I know this is gonna be hard to see. I'd seen him on the display photos actually. And he's 20 by 25, he was $6.98. And the last one is Eeyore. Down underneath is Eeyore and he's holding balloons. Another one of my favorite Disney characters. 20 by 25, $7.48. And some people have said they see them cheaper on eBay and stuff. Just remember, I am in Canada, so I don't, my prices are about 35% higher than American prices with the exchange rate. These were all nicely taped with some masking tape. I did go on eBay after I saw that comment because I had not checked there yet. Amazon, they're like way more expensive for Canada. And I did find some. So for that person that made that comment, thank you, because I bought more. But to me, these are still really good prices for what I would have paid at Michael's and stuff. I don't mind. Okay, so they're all wrapped around foam core, one at a time. I like these sizes because it's nice, simple little project for fun, because that's really what this is for me, is fun. See his little eyeballs. This is cute that it has 2 pieces for such a tiny picture. There's this big grin. And I love that one. Oh, look what I just did. Let me pull this side up just to smooth it out. Oh, is there going to be a piece of tape after every single one? Nope. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. There we go. Alright, so this is Stitch. Oh, I cannot wait. I might have to do that one next. After my big kitty. Awesome. I think the cartoon ones work out just fine for small, but like the big sceneries and that, if you want detail, then you need to go bigger. It's just what I'm noticing. Oh, that one's gonna be cool. Almost looks like a pumpkin. So adorable. And where will all these paintings go, you ask? I have no clue. I don't know. Oh, I love him already. He's so adorable. Little tummy. Two more. This one's curled up good. Oh, I hope this one turns out. I feel like I should have gotten it bigger, but Oh no, he'll be fine. Look at that. So beautiful. This one is really curled from being on the inside. Love it. And lastly, Eeyore. And some foam. These guys, I just noticed, have a nice big grid on the side. Much easier to see. There's gonna be lots of white. I really hope it doesn't turn out like that kitty cat, because that, to me, was bothersome. Those balloons are gonna be cute. Ta-da! Little Eeyore. All right, so that is it for today. Some fun new paintings to play with. Again, I will keep sharing as I complete them. Obviously, it's gonna take me a while, and the kids are just slowly working away on theirs, so. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.